Voted by our community on electricscooterinsider.com as both the best overall electric scooter and the best for adults, the TurboAnt X7 Max has a low capacity of 275 pounds and a profile that's bigger, better and more esteemed than its predecessor, the X7 Pro. The handlebars are now 49.2 inches high with 41 inches of deck to handlebar height, which is almost 3 inches more than that on the X7 Pro. This is great news for those pushing 6 foot, while the sturdy frame is also 2.7 inches longer. The deck is bigger too and more elevated, while its new tapered profile invites you to adopt a riding position that feels natural no matter how big you are. So the Max's design ticks the comfort box, but what about performance? Well, perhaps the removable 10-amp battery will whet your appetite. Equipped with improved drivetrain hardware and software, which improves energy efficiency, the Max delivers a chart-topping range of 32 miles. The 350-watt motor also doesn't mess around, delivering a top speed of 20 miles per hour and an acceleration rate of 0 to 15 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds. Add in 2 plush 10-inch pneumatic tyres and you have a scooter that achieves not only the best-in-class performance, but exceeds where ride quality is concerned too. For heavy riders on a budget, the TurboAnt X7 Max is a no-brainer.